Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update camera drivers in Windows 11. Yes, you heard right. So let's get started. Go to search bar, then type device manager. As you can see on the top here, click on it. Now expand this. Now you have to look for camera drivers in this list. These are all the list drivers. You have to look for cameras. Now as you can see here below Bluetooth, right click on it. Now go to properties. Now you can see here my camera driver. Press on OK. Now again right click on camera, then OK, click on it. Now right click on your webcam. Now you can see here option update driver, then select update driver. Now you can see the option search automatically for drivers. As you can see here, select this. Now follow the on-screen instruction to complete the update. As you can see here, the best drivers were already installed, as I have already updated my driver of camera. Now if you have any showing any update, just select on the update and update your webcam camera. And that's it guys. Now you know how to update your driver as well as your webcam. Now if you want updated drivers on Windows Update, you can search on the net. As you can see here, you can check for updates. Now it will check for the latest up-to-date updates of driver of your camera. As you can see, it will take some few minutes. And that's it guys. Now you know how to update your webcam as well as your check further updates on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one.